Microsoft is now testing stickers for desktop backgrounds in Windows 11. The Stickers editor allows adding stickers to wallpapers that persist when you change the background. The stickers feature is currently available in Windows 11 22H2 build 22621. Here is how you can enable and use it. Right-click on screen, then select Personalization. When the personalization page appears, click on Background. You can choose stickers for your wallpaper. Click Add Stickers. To add stickers, select Personalize your background, choose Picture and choose Fill for your desktop image. However, if not seeing this feature, you can enable desktop background stickers using a registry trick. Press Windows key, then type regedit and press Enter. Select Yes on the user account control prompt. On the registry editor, go to the path like on screen. From the left directory, right-click on Device. Select New Key. Name this key as Stickers. Go to the right-click, and select New greater than DWORD, 32-bit value. Name this as Enable Stickers. Double-click on this value. Enter 1 for the value data, 0 will disable stickers in Windows 11. Now, restart your computer. Once done, right-click on screen, then select Personalization. When the personalization page appears, click on Background. You can choose stickers for your wallpaper. Click Add Stickers. To add stickers, select Personalize your background, choose Picture and choose Fill for your desktop image. Once you enabled it, desktop icons and taskbar will disappear. The selection will include Add or Edit Stickers option in the context menu of the desktop. Using this, you can change the size and position of the sticker. Do note that the stickers feature for Windows 11 hasn't been announced by Microsoft and is hidden by default to insiders running in Dev Channel build 22621.